In today's video, I want to show you a step-by-step process how you can secure and get amazing opportunities in Germany that do not require you to have or to know the German language. This pathway is very good and very exciting because you do not need to know any German language, either talking or writing at any level, because these are jobs that are looking for English speakers to relocate and move to Germany to offer their skills. You could be in IT, you could be in sales and marketing, you could be in admin, you could be in computer science, that is anything to do with developers, you could be an engineer, you could be in the healthcare sector, but these are services that require people who are English speakers. Reason because you all have to recognize the fact that there are quite a number of professionals and people who live in Germany and they are not well versed in speaking the German language. So these amazing opportunities are for you to offer services, but you have to be able to communicate in English. So if you've been looking for amazing or for opportunities in German before and you are worried because you know if you have been looking for opportunities in Germany before and you are worried because you know you are not very conversant with the German language, then this is the opportunity that you should listen and watch carefully. I want to share with you this amazing opportunity. I'll also be sharing my screen with you and you'll see the kind of opportunities that are available. These jobs are so good because they'll tell you on the application portal or on the job portal whether you can get sponsorship or you will not get sponsorship, or it is unknown. The reason why sometimes employers will say it is still unknown if you will be able to give you visa sponsorship, it is because maybe if they find under the same category and skill you have, they'll find someone in Germany already, they will prefer to hire that someone over you. But if they'll not find the kind of skills and skill set they're looking for in Germany, then they'll offer you that job and give you a visa sponsorship. That is why they leave that window and that gap of saying it is unknown whether we'll give you visa sponsorship or not. But if you're looking for jobs, and which are there, and I'm going to show you, that will give you visa sponsorship to move to this amazing country and enjoy one of the best healthcare systems in the world, and most of you know Germany is very welcoming to immigrants, then this is the opportunity you should be looking out for. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Kendi. I share information matters relocation abroad, either for work, to study, or also for conferences. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you. I do not take you for granted. Guys, 70% of you just watch my content, you have not subscribed. Please do go down below, subscribe. You really help YouTube. Recommend this video to other people who are looking for this kind of information. Like and share. You really motivate me to continue pushing out these content out here. I really do a lot of work and a lot of research to be able to share these amazing opportunities with all of you. I will link this website on the description box so that at your own free time you'll do the needful. Guys, as always I say, the maximum I can do is share the website with you and also show you a snippet of how the website looks like, because most of my videos are 10-minute videos and I cannot take forever to show you how to apply for these videos, because for these jobs, because if I do so, it will take more than 10 minutes actually, and it will also take more than 20 minutes unless if I get just one website or two websites and do a very well detailed video of how you can apply for these jobs. If you want my CV services or consultation services, I do that. You can always pitch at me or leave a comment and I'll share the details. Please guys, do the needful. Go through the websites, find jobs that suit you, and if you're okay with those jobs, then you can apply for the jobs at your own free time. Allow me to share my screen with you, then guys you'll be able to see what I am talking about, because this is a very amazing opportunity. As always, you need to open your Google extension and on the Google extension search for englishspeakingjob.com. englishspeakingjob.com. This website is very good because it will find you a speaking job in Europe or any part of Europe that you might think of. But the real deal is the good thing about this website is that most of the jobs that are posted here most of the time are jobs in Germany. Reason because in most of the cases you find people shy away from applying for English speaking jobs in Germany because they think the only language that is available for you to secure a job if you're looking for a job in Germany is the German language. So as you can see, there's jobs from software engineer, account executive, technical writer, all those are jobs. And like you'll find there, if the sponsor is possible, if the sponsor is unknown, if they'll sponsor, they'll say yes. Definitely, as I've told you, they'll always show you if they'll sponsor or they'll not. For example, there is customer support agent, sponsor unknown, customer service no, digital project manager, sponsor yes, senior paid whatever yes, email marketer no, some will say not confirmed, HR team lead sponsorship yes, junior accounting management manager unknown. So there's a lot of unknown and a lot of yes and a lot of no. So what you need to do, you can apply to both yes and unknown, because unknown, if they find you have skill set that can thrive, they can always make a decision of sponsoring you. Do not apply for jobs that they have said they'll not sponsor, because you'll generally be wasting your time. So if you know these are the kind of careers or the opportunities you're looking out for, these careers are not only open or these opportunities are not just for only these people. This is just that at the time, like when we are shooting these videos or when I'm doing this research, these are the jobs that are available. Like for example, these customer support agent games are available, but they're also saying the sponsorship is unknown. But you can always try to apply for these jobs, because as I'm saying, if you go to interview level and they find that whatever you have, they cannot match that kind of skills in anyone around Germany, they will definitely offer you visa sponsorship. So guys, please go through the website at your own free time, and the video will continue playing. You'll see all the amazing opportunities that are on this website. I'll link the website on the description box so that at your own free time you'll be able to look at what this website is about, and then you will discern if you're okay with applying for this job or not. If you're coming across my video for the first time, remember to like, share. It will help YouTube recommend this video to more people. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you are updated, and I'm uploading each and every day at 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. Remember also to like and share and subscribe. It will really help me and motivate me to produce and share more content out there. Please guys, go through the website, read as much as you can, and if you find any position that you like and is available for you, please do the needful and apply. Be safe, keep safe, and bye.